So welcome guys, welcome, this is Yachts. First time we are presenting it live. So basically we build 2,000 different yachts made for the metaverse. So each yacht is unique, there's no two same yachts. They come with various different traits, like let's say you have jet skis, helicopters, swimming pools, jacuzzis, different flags, everything. So we made it clear that there's no two same yachts. Yeah, so we have 4 tiers, right? So 4 tiers of boats. They are ranging from 30 to 300 feet, and depends on your luck. You can get one boat that's 30 feet and like golden jet skis, and that one will be worth way more than, let's say, like a basic boat with a white jet ski or something like that. Also, we are building the first yacht port in the metaverse, where you'll be able to stake your yacht. Basically, you'll be able to load your yacht in the yacht port and earn our token with that. But yeah, that's it. That's the whole story.
Oh, then you wake up like this. Shower, everything you need, mirror, toilet. And second room. Wow. Enough space for 4 people. That's so cool. Oh, that's also a cool idea. I would spend some time here. Everything you need. Sit here, relax, have your food. Oh, it's like the same like the other. Smells really good, like wood and fresh made products. Let's check out here. Oh, it's quietly the same. Almost. Ah, and here's a smaller one, I guess for kids. Or just for the guests. The other side is the master bedroom. It's here. Also another bathroom.
mobitelo, ovako da ćemo doći ovo manje struje.
So we have a Fish V6 over here. That's like underwater drone, or we can call it ROV, pleasure class ROV. It can dive up to 100 meters in depth. It has 4K camera, lighting, 4000 lumens. It is possible to make live streaming either on a big screen on your boat or on a Facebook, with a little bit of additional features. Autonomy is 6 hours, up to 6 hours. That also depends on how much you use light, sea current and stuff like that. I already said the bottom depth is 100 meters. That would be more or less.
Sounds
all.
pretty interesting, yeah?
You can do the still photography as well.
Ah,
Then you can, when you do the still photography, you get a RAW format. So that means you can do the post-production in Photoshop or in
excellent pictures.
Yes.
Nice.
It's not heavy. It's about 2 kilos of weight. Very, very dynamic. It has 6 thrusters.
And in the end, can you say the price?
The price is below 2,000 euros.
Okay.
One more thing. We are steering with a console, but it is also possible to use VR goggles. With the VR goggles, we can steer with our head. So gyroscope in the mobile phone enables controlling of the movement of the ROV.
And the robot moves like your head. Oh, cool.
Then you just use the console for going forward, backward, up and down.
Oh, really nice. Cool. Thank you for presentation.
You're welcome.
Oh, nice. Oh yeah, that's my world.
This, yes, it's connected with the gauge. With the, but this should be the way.
Big space for chilling and getting tanned. I like that. That's a nice job for summer. Circling around in the water, in the Adriatic Sea, in the harbor.
you told me about the blue, blue sky, and all that I can see is just a yellow lemon tree. I'm turning my head up and down, I'm turning around, and all that I can see is just another lemon tree. Sing!